In the last month, almost 12,000 people viewed this business's Google business profile. And you probably have a number of people viewing your profile that's going to shock you. So log in and see. Yet there's one area of your Google business profile that you're not paying attention to. If you know this many people are looking, why aren't you optimizing every section of your Google business profile so you get as many customers as possible? You probably already know about reviews and photos and having all your business information, but there's one section that almost everybody is missing. Let me show you what that is and stick around till the end because I'm going to share what exactly you should be doing so you don't get flagged by Google and whether or not this actually helps your rankings. So when I go to search, go back to manage this Google business profile, I can see here this question and answer period and check it out. People are writing questions. Do you have cedar chest lining boards? I'm looking for a flat post cap. Do you have Stanley front doors? Or I have a Stanley front door and here's the slide-in seal that I need. This is all stuff they sell, yet 12,000 people are looking, which means that people are checking out the reviews and the question and answer section, and yet there's no responses here from the business. And if you go to almost every single type of business, you're going to see that there are question and answers, and a lot of them that go unresponded. And sometimes what's even worse is somebody else will respond to the question if you don't as a business owner, and they might not even have the right answer. They might say no, you don't carry something that you do. They might say yes, you carry something that you don't. They might say something negative in the answer about your business, and it's right there for you to reply to, and yet we're not. And we know that tons of people are looking at that Google business profile. If you say yes and you have a great answer, it can get more people into your business. So if it doesn't matter if I look at a pet supply store, it doesn't matter if I look at a hardware store or a lumber yard, or if I look at a dentist. They all have questions and many of them aren't answered. Well, I don't know if they accept Medicaid and I can't become a customer if I do. Here, this business has done an excellent job. You can see them replying to their questions. Do you have CBD for cats? Awesome, we do. That's going to help them get customers because they're probably getting at least 1,000. 50% of profiles get at least 1,000 people looking at their profile a month. Now the percentage of people who are looking for that know that they do because the owner answered and they're going to go right into the store. So what you have to do is respond to these questions. And guess what? It can also help with your customer service. So you can ask a question by clicking on this button right here, ask a question, and ask your own question as yourself. And then you can say, hey, we get a ton of customer service calls about this. People wondering if we have it. Let's answer that right on our Google business profile. It'll help cut down on the customer service cost. We'll also get more people into our store and create more visibility in Google. Now, here's the thing. Typical things I told you to warn you. You can't spam this. You can't advertise on it. You can't put personally identifying information like people's emails, things like that. So it still abides by the same rules so you don't get caught by Google. But if these are legitimate questions that your customers ask, you should go ahead and put them in there. Now, here's the thing. We don't think this affects your ranking. So it doesn't necessarily build keywords into your profile. But when your profile is already being discovered and people are reviewing it to think about whether they'll come buy from you, the question and the answer period is really helpful for them. Help drive in the right customers for your business by filling out the question and answer thing either with asking your own questions or making sure you're answering our customers. If you like this video, hit that subscribe and hit that like, and stay tuned as we share more great tips on how to grow your business and create visibility in Google.